Hello everybody, my name is Mingo and I'm a crazy with a parrot. If everybody is liking subscribe, you guys will see me. All you have to do is just love the videos with somebody where my owner made, and then you will like and subscribe and you will see me. So I hope you guys like birds, like any kinds of birds was in the place where they could fly or not. So I love you. Boop. And my life is cute. My mom just feed me. My owner, when it makes videos a lot. Yeah. And I like to squeak like this. Like squeak, 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 squeak. Yeah. And I could fly. Look. Oh, I'll do the highest one. Look. Okay. I believe I could fly. I believe I could touch the sky. Oh! Ooh. Ow. I'm okay. I'm okay. Wee. Hi. 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 I could fly. Look. Wee. Oh no, I'm gonna crash. Ooh. Ooh. 2 hours later. Duh. I'm okay. So that's it for today's show, guys. So bye, and make sure you like and subscribe in the videos with my owner made, or I don't know what I'm talking about. If you like and subscribe in the videos with my owner made, instead of don't put thumbs down in her video. If you do put thumbs down on the video with my owner made, you can make her very sad. Okay? Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe with no thumbs down. So, bye. Squawk!